do, y'all? It's move out day. City girl, going to the suburbs. What to do, y'all? Today is day 2 of this moving vlog. Not day 2, but the second vlog. Your girl looking so crusty. Y'all can hear my washer and dryer over there. But yeah, I never dress like this, so you know, once in a lifetime. I did a lot of packing yesterday with Jewel. Also, I only have one shoe on. But I did a lot of packing yesterday, so a lot of boxes are over there. But honestly, we're doing pretty good. I didn't know I would have this much stuff, so moving might take a while. All these cabinets inside the kitchen are empty. This is my donation pile, so everything here is gonna be donated. This is how my room is looking right now. But yeah, my bed is empty, kind of, almost. Everything is just like almost ready to pack. Also, this is how my closet looks. All these clothes, I'm gonna put like trash bags over them. Alright guys, let's go to the store. Okay, so we're at Home Depot. I need to get a few more boxes and I need tape. I need tape for sure. I need to get some mattress covers because I need to cover my, obviously my mattress, but also my couch. Let's go in. Basically just packing again. I'm taking everything out of my fridge. I'm gonna be sleeping at my parents' house for the next few days until I move into my next place. So I'm packing all of this to put in my parents' basement fridge because I'm pretty sure it'll have space. And then I gotta bring all this back to my new place. So I'm just gonna be packing for the rest of the night, but tomorrow I am gonna be loading my stuff in the U-Haul. Tomorrow should be more interesting. Let's put this over under the chair. So cute in her new outfit. Minnesota Vikings! Alright guys, we've got my brother. He's here to help me undo my mat. Not my mattress, my bed frame. It's pretty easy. I just get my bed frame from IKEA.
Oh my god, I thought that was a mouse.
What to do, y'all? It's move out day. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'll grab this one. I got this one. Okay, we can close that door. Oh, shoot. We've only been moving future, I'm currently staying at my parents' house, which you guys will see a little bit more in my next video. But today's video is sponsored by the Pill Club. The Pill Club is a birth control subscription. So the Pill Club is perfect for those of you guys who need a new birth control, or you guys just want to try a new one. It's amazing because the Pill Club is literally online, so you guys can get birth control at the comfort of your home, and the birth control literally gets delivered to you for free. When it gets delivered to you, it has discreet packaging, so nobody has to know what you're ordering online. The Pill Club literally carries over 120 FDA approved brands, and on top of that, most of the birth control brands are free with insurance or Medicaid. But if you guys don't have that, it's okay, because it literally starts at $7 a month with the Pill Club. So if you guys are interested in getting new birth control, or you guys just want to try a new one, y'all gotta check it out. It's amazing because y'all don't have to go to a pharmacy. No, right now if you guys go to thepillclub.com/Sandy, $10 will be donated to bedsider.org for every Sandy Bang listener who actually becomes a patient, and that donation will literally help low-income individuals get access to birth control through bedsider.org. That is thepillclub.com/Sandy. Check it out, it'll be linked down below as well. How you feeling?
Feeling good.
So Nat, how you feeling today? Good. City girl! City girl! Going to the suburbs! How about you, Shar? How you feeling? Okay. Dora is here, y'all. I don't know if this is all gonna fit in the U-Haul, but we're gonna make it work. See all that? Gotta get all this in, and this is already so full. Like, I didn't realize how much stuff I had. Hey guys, I look crusty, but we are completely done. Like, we just gotta throw some stuff away, put them in the car, and that is it. This apartment is empty. Wow, guys, I really lived here for a year. Empty. Wow, crazy. I'm so shook that it's completely done. So we're completely done moving. We just had some poke, and now we're at IKEA because I want to buy some bowls, stuff like that. So I won't be buying a lot of stuff, but for sure bowls.
Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello again.
It's insane! I was debating, should I get white ones or should I get like colorful? Hi guys, welcome to the end of today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. I feel like I didn't film a lot, but I moved out. I'm completely out of my old apartment, or my apartment, and so yeah, I said goodbye and I freaking left, gave all the keys, and now I'm currently staying at my parents' house because I can't move into my apartment until the 18th, which is this Saturday. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. I tried going to IKEA to go find some plates and stuff that I liked, but I couldn't find any. But today I did go to Target and I found some that I really liked, so I will show you guys those in another vlog, probably when I'm like unpacking my stuff into my new apartment. I'll show you guys what I bought, but I'm pretty excited. I'm so happy. So yeah, I'm currently staying in my parents' guest bedroom, and it is not really my style, but gotta do what you gotta do. My brother took over my old room, so I don't get my cute room anymore. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Thank you guys so much for sticking around and watching my videos. I love every single one of you guys, and I appreciate all of you guys. We've got Chloe Bear here with me as well. She wants to get out of this room, but I won't let her because she's too crazy. I'm probably gonna vlog me moving into my next apartment. I will definitely be vlogging me unpacking my apartment and just like, you know, getting situated. I'm so freaking excited. Also, I plan to make so much more videos and videos that I've like never really done before. I do want to experiment a little bit more with my content. I've kind of been holding off some of the video ideas I have for my next place because if I'm in a happy environment, then I'm gonna make happy videos, you know. Chloe, you're moving my camera. Anyways, I love you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for my next video, and yeah, I love you guys. I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Mwah.